Hello children, welcome to logical reasoning. First one, signal is coded as TK, JO, CO. Then what will be the code for calendar? In this type of questions, the letters in a word are replaced by certain other letters according to a specific rule. So what is the rule? The rule is first letter is moved 1 step forward, second letter is moved 2 steps forward, and third letter is moved 3 steps forward. Again, fourth letter is moved 1 step forward, fifth letter is moved 2 steps forward, and sixth letter is moved 3 steps forward. So here signal. So signal SIGNAL. What is the first letter? First letter S is moved 1 steps forward. So T. Second letter I is moved to 2 steps forward. So K. G letter is moved 3 steps forward. So J. Fourth letter N is moved 1 steps forward. O. Fifth letter A is moved 2 steps forward. C. L is moved 3 steps forward. O. So here signal is coded as TK, JO, CO. Here calendar. So calendar, what is the first letter? C. C is moved 1 steps forward. D. Second letter A is moved 2 steps forward. C. Third letter L is moved 3 steps forward. So O. Fourth letter E is moved 1 steps forward. F. N is moved 2 steps forward. P. D is moved 3 steps forward. G. E is moved 1 steps forward. F. R is moved 2 steps forward. So T. So what is the answer? So answer is D, C, O, F, P, G, F, T. So which option is correct? D option is correct. Second one, which of the following letter is 15th to the right of the 6th letter from the left end of the given arrangement? Here D, U, B, C, A, B, E, D, C, A, B, U, D, C, B, A, E, D, B, C, A, D, E, B, A, U, C, D, A, E, B. First D letter is left end, last B letter is right end. Here 15th to the right of the 6th letter from the left end means first you take second of the 6th letter from the left. That means D is 1, U is 2, B is 3, C is 4, A is 5, B is 6th letter. Then in B letter, E letter is right, A letter is left. So now 15th to the right means E is 1, D is 2, C is 3, A is 4, B is 5, U is 6, D is 7, C is 8, B is 9, A is 10, E is 11, D is 12, B is 13, C is 14, A is 15th. So A letter is 15th letter to the B. So answer is A. So D option is correct. Third one. What is the next letter in the series? B, F, J, N, question mark. Children, first you have to write A to Z alphabetic letters. The position of A is 1, the position of B is 2, the position of C is 3, the position of D is 4, the position of E is 5, the position of F is 6, and so on. Now listen, first letter, what letter is given here? B. So the position of B letter is 2. Next letter F, the position of F letter is 6. Next letter J, the position of J letter is 10. Next N, the position of N letter is 14. Here 2, 6, 10, 14. Here what is the difference? So the difference between the letter is 4. So the answer is 14 plus 4 equal 18. So which is R? So R equal 18. So answer is R. So which option is correct? A option is correct. Okay children, like this model I give some exercise. You do the sums in your home. Listen, first one. Window, W-I-N-D-O-W. Window is coded as XKQEQZ. Then what will be the code for TEMPLE, temple? Second one. If crow is coded as DSPX, then how will face be coded? Third one. What is next letter in the series? A, C, F, J, question mark. Fourth one. What is next letter in the series? C, E, G, I, question mark. Fifth one. Which of the following letter is 17th to the right of the fifth letter from the left end of the given arrangement? D, U, B, C, A, B, E, D, C, A, B, U, D, C, B, A, E, D, B, C, A, D, E, B, A, U, C, D, A, E, B. Okay children, thank you children.